Hello everyone, this is Chaco, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Mimikyu pin collection box. So as you can see, this is similar to the mythical collection boxes that were released throughout the year last year. So it comes with a Mimikyu promo card and 3 booster packs and a Mimikyu pin that I will open up and show you. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so I just opened it up. Here's a better look at the Mimikyu pin. I really wanted to get this set just because I really love Mimikyu. He is my favorite. He is my favorite 7th gen Pokemon, so I really wanted to get this box. So here's a better look at that promo card. Then it comes with 3 booster packs and a code card for the online TCG. So we've got 2 Sun and Moon packs and a Fates Collide pack. So let's go ahead and start with the Fates Collide pack first. Right, code card 1, 2, 3. Alright, starting out with a Chinchino, Old Amber Aerodactyl, Scorched Earth, Jigglypuff, Fennekin, Snivy, Whismur, Minchina, a reverse holo Whimsicott, and the rare in this pack is a Reniculus, I don't know. This evolution line is always hard to pronounce for me. But there you go. Non-holo rare. So we'll put that over there. Then we will move on to the Sun and Moon packs. Also, I'm using a new camera, so hopefully it looks better than my other videos. Alright, so code card, and I believe the Sun and Moon packs have an extra energy card, so the card trick is 4 instead of 3. So starting off with an energy card, Water Energy, Herdier, a Alolan Persian, Dartrix, Morlo, Fomantis, Spearow, Pikipek, Sandile, reverse holo Kangaskhan, that's pretty cool. And then the rare in this pack is, a Lapras GX card. It's my second ever GX card, first one being the Umbreon GX that I pulled in the Sun and Moon Elite Trainer box a little while back. So that was a good pull right there. So the last pack, Sun and Moon with a Primarina. Primarina pack, and it starts with a Poplio. Alright, so code card 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting off, and there's my cat. Okay, so we'll continue on with the video with this cat. Got a Fighting Energy, Krokorok, Brionne, Big Malasada, Poplio, Growlithe, Grubbin, Zubat, Torkoal, Stuffle, and the rare is a Lantern non-holo. So we'll summarize the pulls in here. Got a Stuffle, reverse holo Stuffle, a rare non-holo Lantern, Lapras GX, Kangaskhan reverse holo, Whimsicott, and a non-holo Ranunculus. Okay, so that is it for the Mimikyu pin collection box. Not amazing pulls, but I mean, in only 3 packs getting a GX card, I think that's pretty good odds. So, thank you all so much for watching this video. Bye!